Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. Here I have the VisionAire that belongs to my friend Derek that I fixed just using hot glue from Gorilla, as well as just a little bit of duct tape. And also I had to replace the prop and spinner, but it is ready to its first flight after the fix. So if you haven't watched the previous video of fixing this, I recommend doing that. I left the link below in the description section. This was broken in half here, and the nose was almost like hanging. It was the crack was almost around, and then there was extensive damage to the wings. So I fixed it. If you look, it's a little crooked. The tail is bending towards right a little bit, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to compensate for that by giving a little bit of left rudder. So I'm going to do that now. Just eyeball it a little bit so it flies straight without yawing too much. And it is a crazy windy day today. I know what you're saying. Probably this is a bad idea. Listen to your gut feeling. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to take off into the wind and then try to keep the plane up over that section. That's a grassy section. And hopefully, if it has to come down, it will come down soft. Wish me luck. Also, I'm starting at not 50%, not one, but 75% throws. Because it's windy, it will give me a little more control when it hits the wind. But I may change it quickly if I need less or more. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so far the takeoff has been very gentle. I'm about 50% throttle. Let's bring it. It just needs a little bit of, I think, the trim is quite good. I may need just a slight up elevator trim, and it's already flying better. Well, my friend Derek, your plane is flying. Hopefully I'll land it one piece, so I'll drop it off at your house tonight, so you have another flying plane. And let's see how it handles at 50% throws. So it's 50% now. Let's see if it's going to be enough for this wind. Let me bring it around a little closer to both cameras. Yeah, it has a little bit of a going down tendency when I cut down the power. So I'm going to give it a little more up elevator. Still not enough. I'm going to take it back to 75% throws. I'm wondering if the AS3X is doing that. Maybe it needs to be calibrated or something. Let's see how it rolls. A little crooked, I think. It has plenty of power. And right now it's gliding. It's coming down a little too fast, gliding, but these planes do not glide that well. They're aerobatic. Well, folks, I think this shows you that these kind of foamies planes, even if they are destroyed, as long as you can find all the pieces and parts, you can fix them with just hot glue, and if you need a little bit of duct tape to be on the safe side. The only addition I made was I decided not to try to fix the prop, which was in two pieces, and the brake was not that clean. And also the spinner, I thought I could use it before, but then I saw that there was a middle piece that was completely separated. The little piece that the little screw goes through, so that wasn't going to happen. So I used the prop and the spinner from my VisionAire, and I ordered those already, so they're on the way. But this is flying really good so far. That crookedness on the tail is not affecting it, I don't think. Let me do another low pass. So it's going downwind. Downwind has a little less control, of course, but I'm going to decrease the power a little more and then attempt to come a little slower and lower and closer. It's almost like hovering against the wind. No, it's good. So now I'm going to, this is now 100% throws. Let's see if the roll rates are a little better. Yep, I mean it's still a little crooked. Whoa. And let's see if it wants to fly upside down. No problem at all. I mean, I'm hands off. Let's do a half a roll, inverted roll, and do another climb, and then cut down, and then do just the hammerhead, and then back on power, and a little faster pass. Oh yeah. Okay, Derek, you have an as new, like new airplane. So let me land it one piece before I do anything stupid, because this is Derek's plane. I don't want to cause any issues. Okay, let's try to do like a nice and soft landing with it, close to the camera. Bring it a little closer, maybe. All right, not ideal, but it's okay. Yeah, tail draggers, tail draggers. Okay, folks. Here is proof that you can fix a foamie with just Gorilla Glue and a little bit of duct tape and maybe a prop and spinner. Okay, I admit. But thank you very much for watching. Derek, this is coming your way tonight. I'm going to drop it off. Hopefully you'll have better luck on next time. It's all fixed up. And folks, thank you very much for watching. Please come back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Stay safe and healthy. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.